Okay, this is Paul, and I got this fan back together, cleaned up the blades, painted it, painted the case, cleaned up all the brass, and it's a good looking fan. And that's low. Has a good speed, throws a whole lot of air. That's low speed. Medium. I know that's a lot of wind. It's high. And I don't want to pick it up too much with it running, but here's the back of the fan. The nameplate, we cleaned it up a little, but we didn't want to clean it too much. I got a new fixture. This is new from another fan because the one that was in here was busted when it broke. This collar is new, which has the pull-out on it to lock it in place, so you can lock it at whatever angle you want, and then it'll oscillate at that angle. And the oscillation mechanism is working. I didn't have the right screw, so it was missing, and the parts fan I got for this one didn't have a screw in it either, so I'll try to find a screw for that and set that in. And I still got to put the base on, and here's the base here. And I'm gonna put some felt on it and put it on, and then this fan's ready to go back. So anyway, I appreciate you watching the video, and there you have it. Nice big fan. When I ship this fan back to the customer, I'll probably, because it is so big, I'll probably remove the blade and the grill. I don't know. I could ship them the way they were. They made it down here this way, so it's quite a ways to ship it. But anyway, I may ship it separately. I may not. I may just wrap it up the way it is so that the customer doesn't have to assemble anything. But a beautiful fan. So if you found this video series interesting, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.